Thank you for choosing to watch my review video of the countless other review videos online. In the next part of this video, you'll see why this product has become so popular. So please make sure you watch this video all the way through so you get the full story. Okay, let's take a look.
Hey guys, Bill Hugel here and welcome to Magnetize. On behalf of my partner Simple Spencer and Michael Black, we're thrilled to bring this to you. Now Spencer and I normally bring products to the marketplace from people that no one knows anything about, and these are unique methods that are proven to generate between $150 to $200 a day. Now when Michael came to us, we had no idea who he was or what he was capable of doing. Then he showed us some of the results he was having with this new method. It's fresh, and it's not like anything anyone else is teaching out there. I know you've been to pages like this, and you've probably said, you know what? Not this time. But I'm going to stop you there and encourage you to look around and check out all the results and testimonials down below, because Michael is not only pulling in 70 grand a year doing this, he's also showing other people how they can do the same. So what you're going to want to do right now is scroll down this page, check out all the details, check out all the testimonials, check out the proof, and then click that buy now button and then take quick action, because if this is launch week, this is a 62% off discount and the price is never coming back down. So if you've been struggling for any period of time and you're sick of the affiliate marketing, the paid traffic, the technical blah, 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 they always tell you you don't have to do, but you end up having to do, check out Magnetize, because this is something you haven't seen before, and it's going to give you the opportunity to create your own real life business thanks to everything that Michael's been showing you. So check out all the details, click the button, and I will see you in the members area in just a minute.